I'm here today with a foundation first impression. I'm so excited about this foundation because when I first saw it launching, or that it was coming to Sephora, or that it was even like in existence, I got so excited to give it a go. And if you didn't know from the title, this is the Sunday Riley Influencer Clean Longwear Foundation. I love Sunday Riley skincare. It's a little bit more on the pricey side, but it is absolutely amazing. Their Good Genes serum is like one of my favorite serums of all time. Their Luna oil is amazing. Their contouring eye cream is great. The Martian, if you have oily skin, is really great at controlling oil. So I really love their products, and when I found out they were coming out with the foundation, I was so excited. I love Sunday Riley skincare. It's a little bit more on the pricey side, but it is absolutely amazing. Their Good Genes serum is like one of my favorite serums of all time. Their Luna oil is amazing. Their contouring eye cream is great. The Martian, if you have oily skin, is really great at controlling oil. So I really love their products, and when I found out they were coming out with the foundation, I was so excited. So like I said, this is the Influencer Clean Longwear Foundation. This comes in 20 shades. It retails for $42. I feel like the shade range is pretty decent. I have two here. This is the shade 140, which is light neutral undertones, and 190, which is medium neutral to peach undertones. So they have quite a few different undertones and shades. It is cyclopentasiloxane free, synthetic fragrance free, talc free, gluten free, paraben free, cruelty free. I'm gonna read to you about this foundation because there is a ton of claims. We're going to take it through a full day and see how it wears. Like I said, $42, 20 shades. It's for normal, oily to combo skin, which pretty much sums me up. I am normal to slightly combo skin, so perfect for my skin type. So it is a medium to full coverage foundation. It says it's good for redness, uneven skin tone, and oiliness. And it says that the Clean Longwear Foundation redefines the line between skincare and makeup. Hallelujah, yes, as you get older, let's, have some skincare in our foundation, keeping us like looking young and refreshed. It provides a clean, natural looking, long lasting coverage that doesn't dry out as the day or night goes on, with a satin matte finish that stays fresh looking even throughout workouts and humidity. You guys know I am a more medium coverage kind of girl. I don't mind some full coverage foundations, but if it's gonna be full coverage, I want it to look like skin. I don't want it to be heavy or mask-like on my face. So I'm really excited to see how this foundation holds up throughout the day. It has a lot of really great claims. I'm a huge fan of the Sunday Riley skincare, so I'm hoping that the foundation is just as good. I love that it's supposed to keep you matte and shine free throughout the day. It's not supposed to dehydrate your skin. It's supposed to be good for sensitive skin. It's supposed to help with redness, pores. So a lot of great claims. I'm really excited about it. So if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassie. I hope you enjoyed this video and decide to stay a while by hitting that subscribe button. And don't forget to give this a thumbs up before you leave. YouTube is doing it again. If you are not in the notification squad, apparently you're not gonna get my videos. It's what I'm hearing around here on YouTube. Every video I watch, they're saying, hit the notification bell, because YouTube is now not going to put you in the subscription box unless you are in the notification squad. So if you want to make sure you get my videos, please hit that bell. That way you don't miss out. I do upload 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And yeah, if you want to see how this foundation applies, how it wears throughout the day, I'm going to take you throughout the day. I have a workout. We're going to see if it stays shine free and looking great all day long. Then just stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna start off and prime our skin. I'm gonna use my Hangover RX. This is their replenishing primer and setting spray. Just a nice little splash of that. Oh, it feels so nice and refreshing, and I love the smell. It's like coconutty. And then I'm gonna use the Hangover RX primer. I've been loving this. I have gone through quite a few of these, and it's just such a wonderful primer. Little Cover FX blurring primer. This one is really nice at filling in my pores. You can just see there how much smoother that looks. Yeah, look how light that is. I'm gonna do one pump of this, and we're gonna mix in the shade 190 because I do have a little bit of a self tan. So I'm gonna do another pump here. So this is supposed to be long wearing. It's supposed to be medium to full coverage, a natural finish, semi-matte, like a semi-matte natural look. It's supposed to control oil without dehydrating your skin. It's supposed to last throughout your workouts. It has like all sorts of claims, which you'll have already heard at the starting of the video, but it seems like it's a pretty amazing foundation. I mean, just the claims alone. There's also a lot of hype about it, and I have not seen anyone do a review. So, all right, we did 2 pumps, 1 pump of each color. I feel like I got medium-ish coverage. I still see a lot of pink showing through from my skin. It's also supposed to neutralize redness, and it's supposed to be great for oily skin, combo skin, and normal. So let's add a little bit more and see if we can build this up a little bit. I'm gonna go in with about half a pump of this, and I'm just gonna kind of go in a few different areas, and we're gonna try to build it up because it does say it is a medium buildable coverage. 1 pump is for a very light natural, and then obviously you can layer, and you're supposed to be able to layer and it doesn't get cakey on the skin. So I'm all about that life. There wasn't a like light medium foundation color with neutral undertones. There wasn't a medium which is neutral. It was like medium with golden neutral or medium with peach neutral. But they do have quite a few different undertones and quite a few shades. Gosh, that looks really pretty though. I'm gonna take it down my neck a little bit. All right, when I look in my mirror, it did kind of blur out my pores. I'm not quite seeing semi-matte yet. I feel like I have kind of a radiance to my skin still. So far, I mean, I really like the way that it looks. I'm definitely like a mixture of the 2 shades when I have a tan. I don't know if the peach was like the best choice for me, but I think I made it work. So I'm going to finish up with the rest of my face, and then we'll check in. It is currently 10:13. So I'm gonna finish up, and then I'll check back in and let you know how everything kind of applied over it. The rest of my makeup, it is 10:46. My concealer applied beautifully and super, super easily over it. Even after adding all my powder products, I don't feel like it got cakey looking or anything. So I feel like it looks really nice. It feels like skin, which I love. You guys know I hate applying a foundation, and then even after you powder it, if you touch your skin, it like has that tacky feeling, or it just feels heavy and like foundation. So it definitely feels really, really light on the skin, which I am loving. It wasn't quite it was maybe borderline semi-matte. I did set it with a powder though, because I just always set it with a powder. As of right now, I'm really not having any like settling issues, like it settling into any fine lines. I feel like it really blurred my pores here. I have a little bit of dryness on my forehead, but I'm not finding that it's particularly like accentuating any dryness, which is nice. Definitely need to go get my forehead Botox redone though, because I just don't, this wrinkle just gets so deep. I hate it. It looks really pretty on the skin. I'm excited to see how it holds up throughout a workout. It specifically says it holds up through workouts and humidity. So we're gonna put it to the test. I do have leg day today, so we'll see how well it looks, how pretty it still looks after. So yeah, I'll check in a few hours and we'll see how we are looking. It's at 12:41, I'm back in with a check-in. Just got done with my workout. I did an hour of legs and then 20 minutes of like cardio stepper, the stepper machine, you know? And I was sweaty. Like I am looking at my sports bra and it is soaked. So I definitely got super sweaty, and I can't believe how good this foundation held up. Like you can even see how greasy my hair looks. Like my hair looks a hot mess. But this foundation held up so beautifully. Like I barely have any shine, and I didn't blot at all. Like I literally got into my car, I had sweat beads on my forehead, and I was like, I'm not gonna blot it. And look it's like really, really good. I am just very, very impressed. My T-zone, I'm barely, I mean, I'm not even shiny. I wouldn't even say that I'm like shiny or oily at all. So it is held up phenomenal. So what I'm gonna do, because I have more things to do today, we found out it holds up very, very nicely throughout a workout. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender. This doesn't have any additional product. And I'm just going to blot along my T-zone because I did get kind of sweaty. I just wanna make sure that I don't have like sweaty oils sitting on my skin. So instead I'm just pressing them into my beauty blender. I do wash this every single time I use it though. I mean, you have to get it wet anyway, so why not just like wash it at the same time? So makeup still looking great, hair not so great, but that's okay because this isn't a hair video. I'm gonna reapply my lips. The Shining Peach, oh, this is such a good lip product. Oh, I just love this color. I love the formula. Everything about it is wonderful. Now 4:40, so we are on about 7 hours and it's still looking pretty dang good. I haven't blotted or touched up or anything since the last check-in. I did apply more of my Shining Peach. Oh, I just love this stuff. And it's really, really held up good. I feel like even my bronzer is still on. My blush and highlight is still on. Here we are, about 7 hour mark, and I feel like it still looks really, really good. I did have my glasses on earlier, so it did rub off a little bit right there, but actually not too bad. I'm not really shiny or oily or greasy. There's a little bit of shine like starting on my forehead, but honestly, it doesn't feel greasy. Like, you know how most of the time when you see the shine, when you touch it, it just feels so oily and greasy? It doesn't feel that way at all. So I feel like it's still held up really nicely. My hair, on the other hand, looks a hot mess. Like medium coverage, full coverage for me, but like medium coverage to those of you who like love a full coverage. You could build it up a little bit still though, but I feel like it looks really good still. I feel like it doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't feel greasy. I actually forgot that I had makeup on earlier. I was like touching my face and I'm like, oh wait, I have makeup on, and then I'm like, oh, it actually still feels like skin. It doesn't feel makeup-y or cakey like I feel like most foundations do, especially as you like get past that 6 hour mark. So I think for a really intense workout, we're at almost a full day wear. I would say it is doing pretty darn good. I feel like it really does live up to the claims. It's lightweight. It has a really beautiful finish, great coverage. It also like doesn't dehydrate your skin. It's not one of those matte foundations that as the day goes on, your skin just looks drier and like the Sahara and like alligator skin. It doesn't do that. It keeps it hydrated without making it oily or greasy or too like hydrated looking, but still kind of keeps it matte. It's like very, very cool. So I'm into this foundation. What do you guys think? Have you tried it? What are your thoughts? I love the shade range. I think that there's a nice range of shades. If you follow Sunday Riley on Instagram, they have been showing like a ton of, I think, employees and stuff and showing what their shade colors are. And I have felt like there's been super pale girls and super deep skin girls, and they've kind of had something for everyone. So I think that that's really great. Love the foundation. I'm excited that there's a high-end foundation that I'm excited about again, because I feel like the last few high-end foundations I've tried have just been kind of like, wah, wah. So I like this. I love the name The Influencer. I think that's just so appropriate for the kind of way the beauty industry is nowadays. I feel like they use a lot less celebrities and more like beauty YouTuber, blogger, influencers. So I think that's really cute. I love the name of it. So yes, 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 definitely recommend this. Let me know your guys' thoughts if you've tried this. And yeah, I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.